kick back and take in the sights and sounds of our show just as they are. No voiceovers, no music, just the pure, simple sounds of engines running and exhibits in action.
got that little bit of boot, asking him to slow down a little bit. He's going to want to get those tires to break loose so that he can bring his RPMs back up. But he's got a dilemma here. He's also got a lot of rubber on the ground. He'll figure it out. And we're all chained up. You can see he's got the hubs on those axles. These dual second up. I bet he gets some business done on the phone.
Sticky.
New flipping tractor with those rounded off rear fenders. Pretty much what I consider to be kind of a weekend version of a tractor. The front axle is not adjustable. Very nice running truck.
The engine drive. We might be playing with it a little bit right now. This is only 1.1, but so when we haul this to other places, if there's a Rumley Expo someplace, sometimes we'll take it to another show, and no water, no fuel, nothing in the contractor's tanks or the bunkers. Weighs about 40,000 pounds dry, fully loaded like it is right now, ready to go to the field. You imagine probably about 50,000 or so. So we weigh twice what the truck does, and we've got a fair amount of iron on the ground, so I think we'll be able to keep it rolling. So a steam engine is has a lot of torque. It's the only thing besides a DC electric motor that can produce 100% torque at 0 RPM. As you can see now, the wheels of the truck are pretty much in the air, so he's got 26,000 pounds of dead weight behind him. And if he's feeling really confident, he could probably both stop and then take off again.
I didn't know, I'm sure most people do. He just decided to pull on, so he's feeling in 30 feet. Didn't look like. There's a spark show going on tonight. Oh, there's all kinds of activities. If you go home bored, you're probably a 2x4. Here we go, that's Simon Pender running this 1570. Good running tractor. Get it on right about everything worked out there, do Winston. Those tractors are sold right here in Rollout. You look to the south where you see that church up there. And he's just what you call one of those good old boys. He makes about, I don't know, 40, 50 trips a year out Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, hauling French fries. Imagine that, you load French fries in Grand Forks because there's a shortage of potatoes in Idaho. Huh. Well, French fries out there, and a lot of times you call them tater tots back to Grand Forks.
That's not crazy.
And don't tell them they need to do that. This is working pretty good for them. That actually was my dad's 1566. We bought it out in mine out at Magic City Implement. Dad put a lot of hours onto it. Us boys ran it a lot. Roger rebuilt it here a few years ago. And it's an ugly old dog, but it does the job. Well, it's a dog there, riding on it. Roger's saying, gotta do this here. Nice pull, Rob. Like I say, he built it. You ask him or Duckner, Don Duckner, they'll tell you, well, I had this nightmare. And I decided, hey, that might work. And they started in the building and created. As you see on the front of it, it's not a Peterbilt, it's a Peterbilt belt. It's called the Jackson tractor. That is definitely a Detroit, I believe. It's like probably a 318. firing on every stroke, and they have a blower on them with a turbo on it too. They also they have a blower on them that handles your putting your air into the engine, and the blower also removes the exhaust from the engine. Detroit sold a lot of engines to actually different manufacturers. A lot of them put Detroit engines in some of their tractors. Sold a lot of engines to the military. A lot of tanks would have Detroit engines in them. Oh, he's going to scream. He might start floating up. He's not getting enough PSI to the ground to do the bike. But I might be talking bull. We'll see. And he's pretty light. And his wife is sitting right beside me and telling me that. Would you like to say anything else to Clayton at this time? Happy anniversary, birthday, anything? Oh, okay, no big deal. All right, good. All right, here we go, Clayton. And his wife does say it, so you know it's a fairly light tractor. We'll see what happens. So far, these big guys, we've been kind of letting them go through. We might get them to spin a little. Maybe a little spinning, but I'm going to go through the hole. All right, good job, Clayton. So he's running an over 300 horsepower tractor here. Got a lot of rubber on the ground, you can see that. He's got it all hooked up, hydraulics, cables, pretty slick setup. And again, he doesn't have to replace the computer.
There he goes. He's going down.
I really doubt he's even got the back one running. You'll see when he does. He'll start that back one up and he just needs a little extra. Boom. He's running 2 engines right now. That back one will start smoking when he needs it. And there he goes. They're getting expensive. Can't blame them. They must have added some more cylinders or something. That thing runs pretty smooth. Yeah. Okay, call the EPA right now and have them check us out. We're clean here. We're clean. Yeah, they call it an 8RX. 410. That probably is about 410 hours.
Hold it, I need to go again.
Very nice, very nice. I live just north here. If you could park that in the road, I'd appreciate it.
Never titled up.
Look at the back of that thing. The hydraulic connections are, it's technical timing these days.
And for him experiencing with the tractor, he's gone through a lot of head touches. Anyways, here comes Johnny Duffer, Big Daddy. Yeah, let's get down a big round of applause. Now, right there, he pulled 233.84 feet. 233.84 feet is max speed on this one. Well, Donnie proved him wrong. Look at that, he put a big block. And I'm going to stand back here just a little bit once he gets going here. If he decides to go radical, this tractor can have anywhere from 30 to 50 mile an hour wheel speed. But I don't see him have his helmet on, so he might not go that crazy for us tonight. Because all we're trying to do is trying to put on a show.
Rod and I were looking at this morning, and Rod said his hair is right in his junior with the hair they have now.
Yeah, it's half orange, half blonde. So
Now we did a little pink on there or something like that.
He's like a modern day attendant, I guess. Something.
I wonder if anybody know what that spray gun, flag spray gun.
I've had a couple people say.
They didn't ask what it was or
No, they
knew what it was.
Morning, how are you?
Doing good.
You got one of those caramel rolls too.
Oh man, yes. They are good.
So then you know how one of these work then? Snapper.
And then there was a.
It's a fun toy. Oh, we'll call it a toy. I call it a fun game. Fun time on two pieces of wood. Ready? So it is work. Got a rubber band and a cork.
Yep. Got the top.
Little fish hook. Ready? So, object is to get it in here. No rubber. Snap it on there.
That was what they used.
How you know the rubber's not broken? I can tell you. You can have that. Brand new one right out of the box here.
Yeah, I think we're missing some tooling.
Fun part. I'm going to show you how it works. Right? You can have it in your hand. So I'm going to use this one. Oh, drop it. So, use your outer fingers here.